Of the same old patterns. I know I've been stuck before in a loop that just keeps going and going and going, but I want to talk to you about one in particular that I see often with clients. My name is Stacy. I'm a transformational leadership coach, and I help people have 10 out of 10 relationships with everyone in their life. I have this client who, just like I used to, put themselves last. First comes job, then comes kids, then comes boyfriend or partner, then comes friends and family, then comes, you name it, all before you put yourself first. This particular loop, what it looks like is be very, very virtuous, do all of these things for other people, put yourself last, and then when it comes time to need something from somebody or want support, nobody's there to be found. You can't get what you don't transmit. If you're transmitting putting yourself seventh on the list, not focusing on any of your needs or loving yourself, how can you expect anyone to reciprocate? I would love to put myself first, but how do you even do that when you've been taking the L, the loss, for so long? You know, there's really three kinds of ways to life. One is play lose-lose, play not to lose, which is what I'm talking about by being a martyr. Next is playing win-win. Here's the thing. Playing to win never comes at the sacrifice or cost of anyone else, especially you. If you're ready to get out of the loop, check out the workshop that we have.